Today, we'll learn how to draw and color a funny joke about a magical puppy dog. Hello, Beep. Would you like to draw with us? Great! Here's the joke we'll learn to draw. What do you call a magician's dog? I'll tell you the answer at the end of the video. Everyone grab your art supplies so that we can learn to draw together. Silly Beep, those aren't art supplies. All you need is something to draw with and some paper. Are you okay, Beep? Maybe not that much paper. Let's get started by drawing a circle for the left eye. And then another circle for the right eye, just like this. Inside of each eye, we'll draw a little circle in the top left, like this, for the highlights. Now, let's color in both of the eyes. We can draw a cute little nose by making a U shape in between the eyes right here. Then, we can draw a curved line like this to finish our nose. We can make a dog's mouth by drawing a wide W shape, just like this. Hello, Beep. Yes, our drawing is starting to look like a dog. Beep, we need to draw the dog's tongue next. Yes, Beep. We'll draw a tongue that looks just like yours. To draw a tongue, we'll draw a long U shape just below the mouth. Let's give our dog a chin by drawing a large U shape starting here and ending over here. Next, we'll draw the ear by making an upside down water drop shape, kind of like this. Remember, if you need more time to draw, you can always pause the video. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Wonderful! This wouldn't be a magical dog without a magic hat. We'll start by drawing a triangle like this. But instead of a straight line at the bottom, we'll use a curved line like this. We'll finish our magical hat by adding some detail. I'm going to draw a crescent moon, but you could draw anything you'd like. To draw a moon, all we need to do is draw two curved lines like these. Yes, Beep, our drawing is coming along nicely. Next, we'll draw the dog's body, starting with the legs. Say, how many legs do dogs have? That's right, dogs have 4 legs. Thanks, Beep. To draw our first leg, we'll start right here. Then we'll draw a long curving line like this. When we reach the bottom of the leg, we'll draw a curved line like this for the paw, and then another curved line going back up, ending right here. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Let's give our dog a tummy by drawing a curved line from here to there. Perfect! Next, we'll draw 2 more legs starting right here. Draw a curved line heading downward like this. And right about here, we'll draw a round shape for the paw. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Nicely done! We're nearly done with the outline of our magical dog. Next, we'll draw a cute little tail right here. For the final details, we'll add short lines like these for each paw. Each paw will get 2 lines. Now that we've drawn our magical dog, it's time to color it in. What color should we use for our dog? Orange is a great choice. Let's color our dog orange. We can start with the head. We can use the same orange for the front legs. Next, we can color in the left leg. Okay, now the right leg. We can finish by coloring the cute little tail orange. Our dog has a very cute nose. I think we should color it brown. Hello, Beep. Why were you sticking your tongue out? I get it. You think we should color the tongue next. Great idea. Let's color the tongue pink. We're ready to color in the magic hat. I'm going to choose purple, but you can choose whichever color you like best. Hey, Beep. We're ready to color in the crescent moon. That's a very good guess. That's the Earth. That is the planet where we live. You got it. Yes, that's the moon. It circles the Earth and we can see it in the sky at night. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Let's choose yellow and color in our moon. Look at what we just drew. It's wonderful. Before I tell you the punchline to the joke, Beep, would you use your magic to finish our drawing? Incredible work! Thanks, Beep. Now the punchline for our joke. What do you call a magician's dog? A Labracadabrador. Thank you for drawing a funny joke with me today. See you next time.